Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at something you probably think is pretty simple: cinnamon.
Right. It's everywhere. On toast, in your chai.
Exactly. But it's not just, brown powder in a jar. It's actually tree bark. And there's a whole story there.
A fascinating one.
So our mission today is to peel back the layers, literally, find out how it's made, and uncover some maybe surprising facts. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, first thing. Tree bark. You mentioned it, but it's still kind of wild to think about, isn't it? It comes from the inner bark of the cinnamomum tree.
That's right. And the way they get it is quite specific. Farmers work with young shoots. They cut them down.
Young ones, okay.
Yeah. Then they scrape off the rough outer bark, that part's not used.
Right.
And then they carefully peel off that inner layer. That's the prize.
And that's the cinnamon stick we see. How does it get that shape?
Well, that's the cool part. As that inner bark dries, it just naturally curls up. Yeah, it tightens into those rolls, those quills. Sometimes they help it along, roll it by hand, but the curl itself, that's just nature.
That's amazing. So this stuff wasn't always just sitting in our kitchens, was it? I read it was incredibly valuable.
Oh, unbelievably so. We're talking ancient times here. It was like a gift fit for kings. For gods, even.
Seriously, for gods.
Yep. And fast forward to the Middle Ages, a small amount could cost more than silver. Huge economic power.
Why was it so rare? I mean, it's a tree.
Well, for centuries, Arab traders totally controlled the supply, and they kept its origin a massive secret.
How'd they manage that?
Get this. They spun these wild stories. Tales of giant, ferocious birds guarding cinnamon sticks in nests high up on cliffs.
No way.
Oh, yeah. Or vicious snakes guarding the trees. Basically, anything to scare off competitors and justify the high price.
Wow. Hiding a tree to control the market, that's something.
It really is. It shaped trade, exploration, even conflict for ages.
Okay, so here's another thing I learned that surprised me. There's not just one type of cinnamon.
Correct. Most people don't realize this. What you probably have just labeled cinnamon is almost certainly cassia.
Cassia. Okay, what's that like?
It's stronger, more intense, spicy, and cheaper, generally. It comes from a few different related trees.
So what's the other one?
That's Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon. It's mostly from Sri Lanka.
And it's different.
Oh, very. It's much lighter, sweeter, more delicate in flavor. You can really taste the difference side by side. And some sources say it's maybe safer in large amounts because it has less coumarin.
Interesting. So you might want to check the label next time.
Definitely worth a look.
Yeah.
You might be surprised what you find and what you prefer once you know.
So next time you reach for that cinnamon, maybe for your coffee or baking, remember, it's not just, a simple spice. It's this piece of history, this carefully harvested bark.
A whole journey inside that little sprinkle.
Exactly. A story from inside a tree traded across the globe, maybe even kept secret by myths. It's quite a thought, isn't it? Something hidden right there in plain sight.